You want to go get some exotic food? Thank you very much. Thank you. That's very sweet of you, honestly. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. Don't steal it.
The real thing is priceless.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. Well, next time, bring me the real thing. No.
I hope so. Well, I'm gonna keep it if I can get it.
It's the mystery of what they're actually cooking in the back.
Right.
That for some reason, there's the Chinese restaurants they have this reputation of, like, you know, cooking things that you're not so sure about.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Yeah, because we
for
have
no
a lot
reason.
of exotic food.
That's what it is. Exotic food. All right, put it off, man.
Do you have any preference in Chinese food?
You know what? With Chinese food, it's funny. I wouldn't eat Chinese food for the longest time because my mother made us eat it. So I didn't eat it for a long time. And then, yeah, my mother cooked it. My mother
Chinese
food? Yeah, my mother was a
Wow,
brilliant
she's
cook.
good.
Brilliant cook.
Oh.
Cooked all kinds of different food, but she cooked Chinese food too. I don't know how good it was though. But later, I started eating it again. When I started, it's more high-end Chinese food. It's really good.
Yeah, it is.
Dumplings. Make me hungry.
Oh, yeah, let's get it.
You want to go get some exotic food?
Then in this movie, you were so serious all the time.
Yeah.
Does the character resemble to you at all?
No, I don't. You know, I mean, in the movie, yeah, I'm serious, but it's not serious. But it is serious, but it's not serious. You know, I know I'm not serious. My friends will tell you I'm not serious, almost ever. Is this right? Yeah?